Family-owned and operated Moore Buick GMC has been serving the South Bay for over 60 years. And here's another vehicle from our great selection of cars and trucks, and comes equipped with many standard and optional features, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. For over half a century, Moore Buick GMC has been the place to find great deals on cars and trucks, because unlike many other dealers, our low overhead allows us to pass bigger savings on to our customers. Only the best trade-ins and purchased vehicles make it through our extensive inspection process. Buy with confidence knowing that our family is here to serve your family. So give us a call or stop by. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.